He left. Chucky's here. Are you afraid of Chucky? Do you want Chucky to come over here? Chucky's coming.
No.
Chucky's coming.
No.
He's gonna come and get you. Yes, he is. What's the matter? Why are you crying? Are you afraid of Chucky? Are you gonna cry if Chucky comes? Why are you afraid of Chucky? You wanna go with Grandma? Chucky already got Grandma. Why are you afraid of Chucky? Why are you crying? Chucky! Go over there, Chucky! Chucky's coming! Go, Jaden! Bye! Chucky! No! Chucky's coming! Yes, he is. He's outside. I'm gonna open the door for him, okay? Yeah? Chucky's coming, you better hide. You were about to leave, Daydream. Where were you about to go? The basement? How about Chucky down there? Chucky's down there. Yes, he is. Chucky, go get Chucky. Why? Are you afraid? You're afraid of Chucky?
Uh-huh.